Hi, my name is Kirsten Herbis. I'm a registered dietitian and health educator. You can visit my website at www.wellnessrd.com. Today I'm going to talk about some of the necessary tools of the trade for low-fat cooking. The first item that you should have in your kitchen pantry is a nonstick skillet. Most of us are familiar with skillets, obviously. We use a lot of aluminum skillets and cast iron skillets. Unfortunately, those require a lot of extra fat in order to prevent the food from sticking. So you definitely want to invest some dollars in a good quality nonstick pan. Most of them are Teflon coated. Any sort of nonstick substance will work, but the more dollars you invest, the better quality pan you will have. Another item that you definitely want to invest some money in is a good spatula. Most of us have a metal spatula at home. The metal spatula, however, is not very appropriate for the nonstick pan because it will scrape off the nonstick substance at the bottom of the pan. So you just want to invest a few dollars in a good rubber spatula. You can get these at any general kitchen supply store. Another piece of equipment that most folks don't have in their kitchen is something called a steamer inset. A steamer inset is used mainly for vegetable cooking. You use it to steam your vegetables in any standard pot. The inset is adjustable. You can use any pot that you may have at home. You simply put the inset inside the pot, add a little bit of water at the bottom of the pot, add your vegetables, put a lid on it, and steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes. It does not require the addition of any oil or butter for flavoring or for preventing the food to stick. Another item that you want to have is the appropriate measuring device for the food that you're cooking. A liquid measuring cup is used exactly for that, for liquid ingredients only. Do not attempt to measure your dry ingredients in this because they won't come out to the same amount. You want to invest in one of these. A 1 to 2 cup measure is usually adequate. You also want to invest in a set of good dry ingredient measuring cups. They usually come in a set from 1/8 of or 1/4 of a cup rather to a full cup size. You can get these at any general kitchen supply store. Lastly, as we're talking about measuring ingredients, measuring spoons are also very important. Measuring spoons, again, you can find at any kitchen supply store, and these do not replace, or should replace rather, your regular kitchen spoons. Kitchen spoons are not the same size as regular measuring spoons.